this is probably like a silly question. What do I like? How would I know what to include in like what words to focus on?
Good question. So let's start with an activity in mind, like something that he's already interested in. Janique said water was super successful for her. So what's something that your 20-month-old loves?
Like he loves playing with his fire truck. Like he'll play with
Oh,
the fire truck. He also loves playing. He has like this little dog that he'll walk it. It has like a little leash. And he has like his little like Lego pieces and his balls that he likes to play with.
Lego pieces, balls. Okay, great. All of these are great things. So let's take like one thing. Let's talk about a dog. It's like a stuffed dog, I'm imagining.
Yeah, he has a stuffed dog, and then he has one that's like plastic that has like wheels and it has a leash, and he'll just like walk around with it.
Okay, awesome. So you said, how do I know what to focus on? In the course, you'll hear me advise that anytime we are about to engage in an activity with a child that is behind language, I think to myself and want you to think, I'm going to pick 5 words. That is it. No more than 5 words. And those are going to be my 5 words to practice with this kiddo. Then it's like, well, what kind of words? Whatever comes to mind, whatever seems natural, but simple is better. So doggy, woof, woof, walk, eat, bark, all of those are pretty simple 1-syllable words. And it would be pretty easy for him at some point to try if he wants. We're not going to pressure him. But I wouldn't go for super long words like Rottweiler or or something like that. I just keep it simple. It'd be easier for everyone. And sounds are even better than words. So woof woof is more likely to come out from your little guy and be easy for him to try than bark or leash or something like that. So thinking, okay, 5 max. I'm going to focus on those and the 5 simplest that I can think of.
And do I focus on those 5 words until he's used each of those 5 words 3 times? Like
Oh,
he
great.
can use it.
Great question. Well, right now it's just, hey, I'm using these 5 words in a play session with him. He's 20 months old. He's gonna have a short attention span. Let's say 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, I'm playing while using these 5 words. And then you know what? After nap, maybe we'll play this game again. Or maybe it'll be tomorrow morning. It's gonna be a while. And those 3 times that I mentioned, when I count it as part of a vocabulary, it doesn't need to be 3 times in that 5-minute play session. You know what I mean? I say that's my rule for counting a word in vocabulary. If I heard him say it Monday and then I heard him say it Tuesday and then Wednesday, I would count it because I've heard it at least 3 times. That's great. And again, that's on his own, not repeating me, not me saying, say dog, and then he says dog. That's just repeating. So it really doesn't matter what you do, it's how you do it. It doesn't matter what you say, it's how you say it. So playfully, fun, non-pressuring, with repetition, those are the types of skills, the types of tips that you're gonna use and learn throughout this course. Yeah, so you're in the beginning of the process. You probably have a lot of questions. Trust the course. Take it step by step. Are you using the workbook?
Yeah, I also printed it out just like you.
Good. You're gonna find that to be really helpful. Like write down each new word, even if it's a pop out word, and keep track of his progress. And you'll find that everything is there to look back on and reflect on and be grateful for.